In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials to your Wix website. Testimonials are an incredible way to build trust with your audience, showcase the positive experiences of your customers, and ultimately enhance the credibility of your brand. Whether you're running a small business, a blog, or a portfolio, adding testimonials can make a big difference in how potential clients or visitors perceive your work. The great thing about Wix is that it offers a user-friendly interface, making this process simple and straightforward. So let's jump right in and go step by step to create a professional and engaging testimonial section for your site. To begin, open your Wix website editor. This is where you'll make all the magic happen. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical toolbar with a variety of icons. From here, click on the plus icon. This is the Add button, and it's what allows you to add new elements to your website, like text galleries, buttons, and of course, strips. Next, you'll want to select the option labeled Strip. A strip is essentially a full-width section that's perfect for creating visually distinct areas on your site. It's versatile, customizable, and works wonderfully for organizing content in a clean and structured way. Once you've clicked on Strip, you'll see a range of pre-designed options. Take a moment to browse through these and choose one that aligns with your website's overall aesthetic. Think about your brand colors, fonts, and style. This will help ensure that your testimonial section integrates seamlessly with the rest of your site. After you've chosen your strip, go ahead and add it to your website. Simply click on the strip you like, and it will automatically appear on your page. Don't worry, you can always move, resize, or further customize it later if needed. Now that the strip is in place, it's time to focus on the testimonials themselves. Within the strip options, you'll find templates specifically designed for testimonials. Scroll through these options and select a template that best suits your needs. Some might have space for a single testimonial, while others can accommodate multiple reviews. Pick the one that works best for the amount of feedback you'd like to showcase. Once you've selected your template, you'll see placeholder text where your testimonials will go. Click on Edit Text to replace this default text with genuine feedback from your customers. This is your opportunity to showcase real comments, so make sure to use quotes that highlight the value of your product or service. Personalize the text to reflect your customers' authentic voices, and don't be afraid to use testimonials that share specific details about their experiences. These tend to be more impactful than generic praise. If your testimonial section includes multiple columns, you can fine-tune the layout by clicking on Manage Columns. This feature allows you to adjust the number of columns based on how many testimonials you want to display. For instance, if you have 3 strong customer reviews, you can create 3 columns to present each one side by side. Play around with the layout until it feels balanced and visually appealing. Now that your text and layout are in place, let's focus on the design. Click on Change Background to customize the strip's background. Choose a color gradient or image that complements your website's theme. The background plays a big role in making your testimonials stand out, so make sure it's not too distracting and keeps the focus on the content. Finally, you can add even more visual interest by clicking on Change Image. This allows you to upload relevant photos, such as pictures of your customers, your product, or any visuals that support the testimonials. While this step isn't mandatory, adding images can make the section more engaging and relatable. Just be sure the visuals are high quality and align with the overall aesthetic of your site. And that's it! You've successfully added a testimonial section to your Wix website. By following these steps, you've created a space that not only highlights your happy customers, but also strengthens the trust and credibility of your brand. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.